In an age where voice technology is redefining possibilities, lablab.ai stands at the forefront of this revolution. But how exactly can a voice change the world? Imagine games where characters talk without expensive voice actors, where medical practitioners prepare for the life-saving interviews with AI patients, where your questions get instant, human-like answers, and where you're exposed to AI-driven debates that challenge your views. Within the lablab AI platform, creators unite to build with the innovative technologies of Elevenlabs. EasyDX, our first-place winner, built a voiceover app for games. Voxer AI, our second-place winner, created an AI customer service platform. Debated AI, our third-place winner, developed an AI-driven debate platform. Patient Simulator, our finalist, designed an AI-powered medical training simulator. Audio-visual Novel, our finalist, created an app changing the landscape of storytelling. What if your idea becomes the next AI tech sensation? If you are looking for opportunities, then join us on lablab.ai.